Hey, this is Rutger from Wide Awake. Welcome to our espresso brewing video. Today we'll be making some espresso with our new anemone. It's a natural from Ethiopia, really delicious coffee. We'll show you all the steps of making a proper espresso shot. And if you have any questions left at the end of the video, just sign up for one of our barista workshops right here in our atelier in Brussels. Let's get started. So when we're brewing espresso, we always use a recipe. Just like with filter coffee brewing or with anything you make in your kitchen, you want to know what you're doing. With espresso, that involves three things. First, we're going to measure the grams of coffee that we put in our portafilter. Second, we're going to measure how much liquid we extract from this. And thirdly, very important, we're going to see how long that takes. We want this to happen in a certain amount of seconds. As I said, we're using anemone today, our new Ethiopian coffee. We've tried a bunch of recipes. What we really felt brought out the best in the coffee, meaning a good balance between lots of sweetness, a nice acidic touch, some florality in the coffee, avoiding the bitterness, is a recipe with 18 grams of coffee in the portafilter, 41 grams of liquid in the cup, and this in a time of 29 seconds. So let's get started. To get to an exact 29 seconds of extraction time, we basically have to adjust the grind size, because the finer we grind, the harder it will be for the water to pass, which will mean a longer extraction time, and the coarser we grind, the easier the water can pass, meaning a faster extraction. We grind the coffee in our portafilter. This is for a double espresso, by the way. We gently tap the sides of the portafilter to distribute the coffee evenly, and then we're gonna tamp. We try to tamp as level as possible so that we have a level bed of coffee with no cracks, so the water is gonna equally extract the coffee. Here we're gonna lock in the portafilter in our machine, try to do that gentle. We're gonna take our cup, our scale, we're gonna tare the scale. 29 seconds for 41 gram, let's go. And now we're ready to extract. Like I said, we're aiming for 29 seconds here. Why 29? Why not 22? Why not 35? It's all about that balance of flavors. And if we extract the coffee for too little time, let's say we do 20 seconds, what we're gonna end up is mainly sourness, and we're not gonna have enough sweetness. On the other hand, if we extract too long, let's say we do 35 seconds, we're gonna extract too much flavor from the coffee, basically certain flavors that we don't want, and we're gonna end up with something that's bitter or harsh or not very pleasant to drink. 41 seconds, 41 grams, 29 seconds. So here we have our espresso, has a very nice crema, looks very delicious. Really good. This is all we want. Sweetness, very nicely balanced. The body's not super heavy, but this is a natural Ethiopian coffee, so this is not something we would expect from this kind of coffee. Overall, super tasty shot if you like sweetness, if you like a bit of acidity. So that was it. Thanks for joining. We hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned because we'll be doing more of these. Also, if you're interested in training, check out our website. You'll find all the trainings we offer over there. See you, take care.